What is ABC analysis in inventory control? Well, guys, in inventory management and control, it is necessary to control the inventory. It is necessary to control the items, control the flow of the items which is there in stock. The inventory is nothing but the items which is there in stock. It can be the semi-finished good, finished good, or else the raw materials. We have to achieve a better control over the inventory. So that's why the ABC analysis is carried out. So guys, in ABC analysis, the stock which is there, or as the items which are there in the industry, or as the resources that we are having, gets classified into three different groups. That is nothing but the group A, B and C. This particular group A is having the higher importance, whereas group B is having the moderate importance, and the group C is the least important kind of items which are there in group C. So this particular group A consists of the items which is having the higher percentage value, and it cost the higher value to the company in class A items, whereas it is having the lesser quantity. It is having the higher value and the lesser quantity. About, say, we can say that it consumes around 70% of the value, and in terms of the quantity it is only having the 10% of the quantity. Whereas in case of the class B items, it is having the 20% of the value and 20% of the quantity. Over here the quantity is increased in class B items, but the value gets reduced over here. In class C items, these are the least important items. These are nothing but the utility items. Over here in class C items, the quantity is very much huge. That is around 70% of the quantity, but the percentage value that it is having, it is only about 10%. So if I give you some examples, like based upon these categories, class A items constitute some kind of the machineries, some sort of the equipments that the industry gets produced, and ultimately this will be, we are going to sell it to the customers. So these are nothing but the heavy machinery that becomes into the class A items. Whereas in class B items, to produce that particular machineries, we require the raw materials such as the thin sheets of metals, bar stocks, pipes, rods, welding utility items. So this becomes my part B. It consumes the 20% of the total value, and it is having the 20% of quantity. And the class C items, that will become the gaskets, nut bolts, the buffers, rubbers. So these are nothing but the utility items that falls in the category of the class C. So this is how my stock or my inventory gets classified into three categories of class A, B and C. So guys, now let's check out some of the silent features of this ABC analysis. Like in this particular ABC analysis, like class A items covers the majority of the value, that is the 70% of the value. So that's why we need to have a better control over the class A item. So to achieve the better control, we require the level of management, that is the senior level of management that is required for class A items, whereas for the class B items, that is the mid senior level or else junior level can also manage. In case of the, that is for the class B items. In class C items, junior level can easily manage. That is the management hierarchy as per the classes of items. In terms of the class A items, we have to forecast the high accuracy. The degree of accuracy should be very much on the higher side in class A items, whereas in class B items, the moderate accuracy or is less accurate, we can slightly we can, like, the degree of tolerance we can have on the higher side for the class B items, whereas for the class C items, the accuracy does not requires at all. Like we cannot calculate, we are not going to calculate the amount of the screws, amounts of the nuts bolts that we require for a particular project. So for the class C items, the less accuracy can be managed. So that's why, like for the class C, we do not require the higher management like to be indulged in this class C items. So now let's talk about the degree of control. For the class A items, as it consumes around 70% of the total cost, it requires the higher degree of the control, that is the strict degree of the control. Whereas for the class B items, we can have the slightly moderate degree of control, and in the class C items, we can maintain the relaxed degree of freedom for the class C items. So these are nothing but the sum of the silent features, depends upon the type of the management gets involved in the categorization and the type of the control that we require. So guys, now let's talk about why do we need to carry out this ABC analysis. First of all, it is a very simple process. We do not require any kind of complicated softwares to categorize the items, to categorize the stock. It is a very simple process. It ensures the better control over the costly items. Over here guys, the costly items is nothing but the class A items. So to procure those class A items, we have to be more cautious while procuring those class A items. Like we have to match the customer's requirement or the customer's exact numbers that we have to match. If we maintain the higher amount of stocks, that is the class A items, that will become unnecessary inventory, so it will also implicate cost to the company. So over here we have to match the quantity as per the customer's requirement for the class A items. Carry out also guys, for this we have to carry out the resource allocation. Like we have to backtrack, we have to keep on tracking the number of consumption for the class A items, so that we have to carry out. That this is nothing but the periodical activity that we need to carry out for the class A items. It ensures the better control over the inventory, and also the minimum order quantity gets finalized easily by carrying out this ABC analysis. Also, we can carry out the cost control for each and every item which is there in stock. So guys, just because of this above reasons, we have to carry out this ABC analysis, as it is a simple process, like simple statistical approach to achieve a better control over the inventory. Well guys, we can say that this particular ABC analysis can be we can term this particular ABC analysis as always better control over inventory. So that can be achieved by carrying out this ABC analysis. This particular ABC analysis process can be also termed as the selective inventory control, and based upon the category we can also calculate the annual consumption value of each and every item. Also guys, just because of this ABC analysis, overall my supply chain process, that is the sourcing, procuring, receiving, so this particular processes becomes very much easy by carrying out this ABC analysis. So guys, this is all about the ABC analysis. I hope you understood the concept of ABC analysis. So guys, if you're having any queries, any doubts, please leave a comment, and please do subscribe to my educational channel, Engineers Academy. Thank you so much guys for watching this educational video. Kindly subscribe to my educational channel because it is absolutely free of cost.